Hi, it's Vicky Jameson here from Better Body, Beauty and Wellness. I thought I'd take you through a black hole analogy for times that you can't sleep or are struggling to get back to sleep, and perhaps you've tried a bit of meditation or some calming music and it's not working and you're still awake. This works particularly well for when you're trying to drop off to sleep if you've got a very overactive mind. So what I want you to do is take 3 deep breaths. So pop your hand on your tummy. So actually I'm going to show you. So over your tummy button. And then you're going to see how my hand moves. So if I'm breathing in, my hand actually moves out. So when you're lying in bed, it's actually easy to feel this because your tummy will push up towards the covers. So breathing in, and it's the opposite to what you think, you actually expand your tummy, and breathing out, your tummy or tummy button pushes down towards the mattress of the bed. So you do that 3 times, nice and slowly, breathing in, expanding that tummy, and then breathing out, tummy back down to the bed. Breathing in, tummy expanding, and then breathing out, tummy into the bed. And then breathing in 3rd time, tummy expanding, and then breathing out, tummy into the bed. Now, by doing that, you're actually activating your parasympathetic nervous system. So it's going to calm you down, and it works on flipping you out of fight or flight. So already your thoughts should be a lot calmer, but they still might be there. So now I want you to imagine, with your eyes closed, darkness. And I want you to think of this as a safe, nurturing space, not a fearful, unknown place, which sometimes when we have darkness, maybe we relate it back to when we were a kid, it was like danger or fear of the unknown. This is a nice, safe, encompassing, cocooning blackness or darkness. And a good way to visualize that is if you've got blackout curtains in your bedroom. So it's those blackout curtains coming down from the top, past your eyelids, and then right down to the bottom, like a curtain going down in a theatre. So imagine that black curtain going down, and now all you've got is darkness, and you're going to look into the darkness. So what you're doing is actually focusing your mind on the center of the darkness, as if you're in a movie and there's a black hole and you're a Star Trek warrior and you're going into the black hole, but there's no white surround time warp stuff. It's just blackness and darkness, but it's a nice, safe, cocooning darkness. So as you focus your mind towards that, keep focusing until you actually fall asleep. So what is happening here neurochemically is our mind can't think of anything else apart from what we're focusing on. So all your other mind chatter that's happening will diminish, because sometimes it's quite hard to focus on that dark spot. So as you try harder and harder, your mind will actually relax, but because there is nothing to look at, because it's black or darkness or no color, it is reduced of stimulus. And so it actually starts that calming process off. Now, if you're using this alongside with melatonin, it's just going to speed up that melatonin effect as well. So if you're not sure of any of those, always feel free to come back to me. But I hope that helps. Practice. It's not easy the first couple of times, but then if you do it religiously as part of what you do when you go to bed, if that's your issue, is falling asleep because you're overactive mindfully, then you will get into the practice. Your brain neurons, your nerve pathways will actually start to use it. They'll get stronger and stronger, and that connection will get better, and it will happen quicker and quicker. So try that and let me know how you go.